Okay, so this is day 9 of Leetcode 75. Still, we're doing unique number of occurrences. This is 1207. Given an array of integers r, return true if the number of occurrences of each value in the array is unique or false otherwise. So for a given array, we count all instances of a value, and if the count of all of those values compared against each other are not equal, then that's true. Every single occurrence, the number of occurrences of each value in the array is unique. But it'll be false for 1 and 2 because they both have a occurrence number of 1. So that would be false. It's not unique. So to solve this problem, we essentially just keep track of a hash map. For this case, we can just have a default dict, so we don't have to do too much initialization setup for all of the values in the array. So we have set it to an integer, which is just the number of occurrences. Then we'll just iterate through all of the elements in the array, and then we'll say we'll add an entry into the hash map. The key will be the element, and the value will be the number of occurrences. So we can just do plus equals 1. If we see that element inside of the array, we know that it has a value of 1. It has a occurrence value of 1. And then afterwards, when we add all of those into our hash map, so we should see that a value 1 has a value, or sorry, the key 1 should have a value 3, 2 should have a key 2 should have a value of 2, and key 3 should have a value of 1. And what we have to do is we just have to check that all of the values in our hash map are distinct. And the way we can do that is we can take a set which gets only all of the distinct values out of an iterable object, and we check if the length of the two are equal to each other, like so. So the length of the hash map values is equal to the length of the set of when you take all the hash map values. And like we said, the set will get an element for every distinct value in the iterable object. And if we see any duplicates, then the length will not be equal, meaning that it is not unique, and that will return false. And that should be the solution.